Welcome to Web 2.0 Sniper. I'm going to show you one of the fastest and easiest ways to rank your website without content spamming, article spinning, paying for PBNs, or even using expensive expired domains. We'll do this using high-authority Web 2.0 backlinks. The reason these backlinks are so powerful is because they come from expired accounts on high-authority websites, which still have backlinks pointing to them. Web 2.0 Sniper hunts these expired Web 2.0 properties down for you, so you can register them and start ranking your website. Before I go to the demo, I'd like to show you some of the results we got using this tool. Here's a ranking for a broad search keyword. Here's an example of ranking for an Ecom item. As you can see, this is ideal for driving traffic to your stores. Here we're ranking for product review, which is great for driving traffic to your affiliate offers. And here we're ranking for a popular children's toy, which is perfect for your Amazon stores or drop shipping sites. Of course, with high rankings can come great profits, and these are the kind of monthly profits being achieved just by ranking high for product reviews. In fact, some of our version 1 customers are charging clients thousands of dollars per keyword using this very software. So, as you can see, this can be a very lucrative opportunity. Let me show you how this works.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is head on over to the Settings tab, and then as you can see, we've set our settings up here appropriately for our connection and CPU and bandwidth. This can be trial and error. You can adjust these to produce best results for you, or you can try these settings that I'm using here. So once you've gone to your Settings tab and set up your settings, we suggest that you use data source either Bing or both if you're not using proxies, but we go into that further into the case study and in the cheat sheet and tutorials, so make sure you watch the tutorials and look at the cheat sheet and read the case study. Okay, so after you've gone onto the settings and you've entered your correct settings, then you want to go to the main tab and enter your keywords. Now, if you've got the Pro version, there is actually a keyword generator built into it. If you haven't got the Pro version, then you can use any list of keywords generated, either type them in yourself or use a keyword generator. We do suggest using a lot of keywords. It's optimum to use 500 to 2,000 keywords, because the more keywords that you use, the more Web 2.0s that you find and the more expired results that you're likely to find too. Okay, so let's go back on to the main tab. Now, as you can see, we've actually got 881 seed keywords. Now, we actually used the Pro keyword generator to generate these keywords for this demo, but you don't need the Pro version for keywords. You can obviously type in your own keywords, one per line, or you can find keywords from a different source, whether that be a keyword generator or on the internet or wherever you feel like. So what I've done now, I've got the software running in the background and I've just paused the video so it doesn't take too much time, because as you can imagine, it's going to take a little while to go through all these to check if they are expired. Now, the wait is well worth it because these properties are really, really powerful. What we've done really is we've gone to the keyword generator in the Pro version, we put in 2 keywords and we've pressed go. That's resulted in 881 keywords. But like I said, you don't need the Pro version for keywords. You can get your keywords from any source that you like. It's just handy, I suppose, having the keyword generator at hand and not having to look for other software or other sources to get your keywords. Now, as you can see, the software has been running for a little while, and it's checked so far 2,647 results from here, and it's found 9 expired. Now, how we've done that is we've entered the keywords, we've clicked Start Finding Web 2.0s. When it's finished, it will put the results here, and that's the 9,000 there. So then what we've done is we've gone to Transfer to Checker. So it's just a 2-button process so far. And that'll move all the results down to the checker, ready to be checked. And like I said, so far we've found 9 expired domains out of 2,647. Now, as you can see, that's why we recommend the more keywords that you put in the seed keywords, the more results you get in the URLs found, and obviously that means the chance of finding more expired domains is greater. So what I'm doing now is I've paused the video a few times during recording, just so it doesn't take too much time for you. And as you can see now, these numbers here are the amount of URLs that it's checked, and these are the number of Web 2.0 expired that it's found so far. Now, once you've actually found your URLs to check here, it's a good habit to get into pressing the save. So you can then load these up at a later date and recheck them again to see if any more has expired. because as you can imagine, these can expire anytime. Now, once you've done that, it's also a good habit to get into saving the expired Web 2.0s here. You can save the failed ones, the ones that haven't expired, and you can save the ones that have expired. Now, the reason we say to save the ones that have expired, some of these platforms, when these Web 2.0 properties expire, put them into a grace period. Now, that grace period, they aren't available to be re-registered. You have to wait for that grace period to be over for you to re-register them. Now, obviously, like I said, there's properties expiring all the while, so it's a good idea to keep saving these and keep rechecking. You could check them today, and there may be a few expired. You could check them tomorrow, and there could be more expired. You could, check them in a few weeks. You can't tell exactly how many are going to expire and when. All that we can tell you is that they're really, really powerful for SEO. Okay, so I'll leave it run a little bit more, and you'll see the counter going up, and it'll find more results as we're going through. Now, in the software, we've also got some other features. If you click on the Logs tab, we've got full login, so you can see exactly what's going on. If you click on the Tutorials tab, we've got tutorials on each one of these sections. Now, some of these are pro features. If you go to a pro feature, it will say on the page that it's a pro feature. And if you try and use a function in the pro feature, then it will take you to the upgrade page. Now, what we would do, because we're using Tumblr in this demo, you would go here and you would copy the bit after the slash up until the .tumblr.com, and that is what you'd use to register your username. And then once you register the username, you'd write a little relevant article to do with the keywords that you want to rank. We cover all this in the cheat sheet and in the case study, so don't worry, it's not difficult. We do take you by the hand and show you exactly, or tell you exactly, what you need to be doing to get the most out of these Web 2.0 properties. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks very much for watching. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.
See how easy it is? We recommend reading the free case study included with the software. This shows you how we used Web 2.0 Sniper to enable us to rank on the first page of Google. The great thing about Web 2.0 Sniper is you can find and build as many of these properties as you like without paying monthly fees for the software, unlike a competitor's software, and without spending time and money on expired domains. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do these Web 2.0s really work? Here's an independent SEO expert talking about Web 2.0s. In fact, the page you are viewing right now was ranked on page 1 of Google using only Web 2.0 for the term, quote, "Do Web 2.0s really work?" unquote. As you can see, these are really powerful backlinks that can help you rank your sites and get more organic traffic, which in turn means you could make more sales. There will be coupons available throughout the sale, and of course, the earlier you purchase, the less you'll pay. So grab your copy of Web 2.0 Sniper now.